Welcome to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodities market. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the current trends in domestic pepper and chili prices. Let's dive right into the key developments shaping these markets. Starting with pepper, domestic prices have surged due to a combination of limited supply and increased bargain buying. In Kerala and Karnataka, spot market prices have risen by 100 rupees to 200 per quintal, with ungarbled pepper in Kochi now priced at 64,900 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper has reached 66,800 rupees per quintal. Karnataka's prices range between 64,700 rupees and 67,000 rupees per quintal. Recent rains in key growing regions like Kerala and Karnataka have been sparse, though these showers are expected to benefit crop development. Globally, Vietnam's pepper prices have also shown a slight recovery, trading between 143,000 Vietnamese dongs and 144,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, thanks to limited supply and favorable weather conditions. Global pepper prices have rebounded, driven by lower production estimates. Brazil's crop has been severely impacted by drought, leading to a 15 to 20% reduction in expected output. Meanwhile, Indonesia is nearing the end of its harvesting season, with expectations for its conclusion by mid-September. Export data from June shows a decline in India's pepper exports, with volumes down by 2.5% year-on-year, primarily due to reduced shipments to the European Union. However, imports have surged, with significant increases from Brazil and Indonesia, reflecting the ongoing harvesting in these regions. Turning to chili, prices have weakened as supply surges across markets. The Teja and Teja Deluxe varieties have seen a reduction of 5 rupees per kilogram, with current prices ranging from 160 rupees to 180 rupees per kilogram. Local warehouses are nearing full capacity, and with current demand being average, prices have softened. Despite this, traders anticipate a rise in demand in the near future as buyers and end users, who are currently operating with minimal stock, may soon need to replenish their inventories. In today's trading session, a total of 106,000 bags of chili arrived in the market, a decrease from the previous session. Warangal saw a reduction in arrivals by 4,000 bags, while Guntur reported stable arrivals at 90,000 bags. Export data for June indicates that chili exports have remained steady at 25,880 tons, with notable increases in shipments to China, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia, while exports to Bangladesh and Thailand have declined. Looking ahead, chili prices are expected to fluctuate within a broader range, but as clarity on acreage data emerges, prices may see an upward trend. Early forecasts suggest that chili acreage could be significantly lower than initially anticipated, which may support prices in the coming months. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more insights and analysis on the commodities market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.